Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the PLK DTF printer A3 with the Epson i3200 Printhead. I've looked through the internet, checked DTF printing discussions, commercial printer comparisons, and user experiences with i3200-based systems. And in this video, I'm going to break down whether this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest selling point of this printer is the Epson i3200 Printhead. Across the DTF industry, the i3200 has become one of the most popular printheads because it offers significantly higher productivity and better print quality than many older XP600 and L1800-based systems. Multiple commercial DTF printer manufacturers use the i3200 platform specifically because of its speed, precision, and ability to handle higher production volumes. For small businesses, speed is money, and that's where this printer tries to stand out. The marketing claims about being considerably faster than older XP600-based models are generally consistent with what many manufacturers advertise for i3200 equipped machines. Faster production means more orders completed per day, which can make a huge difference if you're running an Etsy store, local apparel business, or custom merchandise operation. Another important feature is the dual white ink circulation system. Anyone who has spent time around DTF printing knows that white ink maintenance is often one of the biggest challenges. White pigment tends to settle and can lead to clogging if not managed properly. The circulation system is designed to keep the ink moving and reduce maintenance headaches, while helping maintain print consistency. Similar systems are commonly highlighted in professional DTF machines because they help reduce downtime and improve reliability. The automatic cleaning function is another feature that should not be overlooked. One of the realities of DTF printing is that maintenance matters just as much as print quality. Printers that automate portions of the cleaning process can help reduce nozzle issues and improve long-term usability. However, it's important to understand that no DTF printer is truly maintenance-free. Even experienced operators frequently emphasize that proper upkeep remains critical for consistent performance and printhead longevity. Community discussions around i3200-based printers consistently highlight maintenance as a major factor in long-term success. When it comes to actual print output, the A3 format is a sweet spot for many businesses. It's large enough for most t-shirt graphics, hoodie designs, tote bags, and custom apparel projects while remaining compact enough to fit into a home business or small workshop environment. This makes it particularly attractive for startups that want professional-looking transfers without investing tens of thousands of dollars into industrial-scale equipment. The printer is also designed to work across a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, canvas, denim, and blends, which is one of the reasons DTF printing has become so popular. Unlike some traditional garment printing methods, DTF offers excellent versatility and allows creators to expand their product offerings without needing multiple specialized machines. What I like most about this machine is its positioning. It sits in a category that appeals to serious side hustlers and growing businesses. It offers technology that is much closer to professional commercial equipment than entry-level hobby printers, while remaining more accessible than large industrial production systems. So should you buy the PLK A3 DTF printer with the i3200 Printhead? Based on everything I've seen and researched, this is a strong yes if you're serious about building a custom apparel business, increasing production capacity, or upgrading from older XP600 or L1800 style systems. The faster print speeds, white ink management features, and commercial-oriented design make it a compelling option for growing operations. However, if you're only printing occasionally as a hobby or making a handful of shirts each month, this may be more machine than you actually need. DTF printing still requires maintenance, learning, and consistent use to get the most value from the investment. Overall, the PLK A3 DTF printer with the Epson i3200 Printhead delivers the features that matter most to commercial users: faster production, improved print quality, better white ink management, and scalability. For entrepreneurs looking to enter the custom apparel market or expand an existing printing business, it represents a serious step toward professional-level DTF production.